Rhexis in pediatric eyes is always challenging. The anterior capsule is highly elastic, making the initial puncture particularly difficult even with Otorata forceps. Once the capsule is engaged, the key is to control its elastic recoil. Rather than simply pulling the flap, the movement should combine tearing and ripping of the capsule. This controlled multi-directional force help to counteract the capsule's natural tendency to run out peripherally, allowing us to maintain control of the Rhexis edge. The goal is smooth, well-centered, appropriately sized, continuous curvilinear capsular Rhexis despite the significant elasticity of the pediatric capsule. After filling the anterior chamber with OVD, trypan blue staining can help to stiffen the capsule. If puncturing the anterior capsule is difficult, a sharp MVR or 27-gauge needle can be used to create the controlled initial opening. Using calibrated forceps provide precise control of the size of the Rhexis. Micro-Rhexis forceps introduced through the side port helps to keep the anterior chamber pressurized while applying the same surgical principle, combined shearing and ripping movements. This helps to counteract the strong peripheral elastic recoil of the pediatric capsule and give the surgeon better control over the direction of the tear. The result is a controlled, centered, and reproducible capsular Rhexis even in the most elastic pediatric capsules.